After years of travel mishaps, I never leave home without these 8 essentials. From dead phones to surprise airport expenses, these items have saved me time, money, and stress. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-timer, here are the must-haves for a smooth trip in 2026. Have you ever landed in a brand new country, excited to start your adventure, only to realize you can't even charge your phone? It's a common problem for travelers everywhere. Suddenly, your charger doesn't fit the wall socket, and you're left feeling frustrated and disconnected, searching for a solution in an unfamiliar place. That's where a universal travel adapter comes in. It's truly a lifesaver for any globetrotter. Compact and easy to pack, it ensures you're always prepared, no matter where your journey takes you. These adapters are designed to work in over 150 countries, adapting to different plug shapes and voltages so you can power up your devices with ease, from Europe to Asia and beyond. Many models even include multiple USB ports, letting you charge your phone, tablet, camera, and more, all at the same time. No more waiting your turn or carrying extra chargers. Forget about overpaying for last-minute adapters at airport shops where prices are sky-high and options are limited. Plan ahead and save money for your adventures. With your own universal adapter, you can plug in anywhere, hotel rooms, cafes, airport lounges, without fighting for limited outlets or worrying about compatibility. Stay powered up, connected, and ready to explore every corner of the world. With the right adapter, you'll never miss a moment, no matter where your travels take you. When you're traveling, keeping your valuables safe is essential for a stress-free journey. Losing your passport, credit cards, or cash can quickly turn an adventure into a nightmare. That's why it's important to take extra precautions. One of the best solutions is using an RFID blocking travel waste pouch. This special pouch not only keeps your belongings close, but also shields your cards from electronic pickpocketing, giving you an extra layer of protection. Designed to sit discreetly under your clothes, the pouch is nearly invisible to others. It keeps your passport, cards, and cash hidden from pickpockets and safe from digital theft, so you can focus on enjoying your trip. Lightweight and organized, it's the perfect companion for navigating busy markets, crowded trains, or bustling city streets. You'll feel confident knowing your essentials are secure and always within reach. Think of it as insurance for your most important items, giving you true peace of mind wherever your travels take you. Packing cubes are a true game changer for organized travel. Sort your clothes by category, save space, and avoid suitcase chaos. No more digging for a clean shirt, everything has its place. Packing and unpacking becomes quick, easy, and stress-free. When you're traveling, whether it's for business or adventure, staying connected is more important than ever. A reliable power bank is absolutely essential for keeping your devices charged on the go, no matter where your journey takes you. From airports to remote hiking trails, having backup power means you're never left stranded without your phone or tablet. When choosing a power bank, look for one with enough capacity to fully recharge your phone at least twice. This ensures you'll have enough power for long days of exploring, working, or staying in touch with loved ones. Fast charging features are a huge bonus, especially when you're in a rush between flights or need a quick boost before heading out. Some power banks even support charging multiple devices at once, making them perfect for group trips. With a dependable power bank, you'll never have to worry about missing directions, capturing spontaneous photo opportunities, or staying in touch because of a dead battery. Stay powered up and make the most of every moment, wherever you are. Avoid costly baggage fees with a digital luggage scale. Weigh your bag before you leave your hotel and skip the airport stress. It's compact, easy to use, and saves you money, especially if you love shopping for souvenirs. A tiny investment that pays off big for frequent flyers. Noise-cancelling headphones are a travel comfort essential. Block out engine noise, crying babies, and chatter for a peaceful journey. Perfect for music, podcasts, or just some quiet time to recharge. They're compact, comfortable, and make long trips so much better. A great travel backpack keeps you organized and ready for anything. Look for padded straps, multiple compartments, and anti-theft features. It doubles as a day bag for sightseeing or hikes. The right backpack makes every transition smoother and keeps essentials within reach. A supportive travel pillow can transform your journey. Choose one that's adjustable and packs down small. Memory foam or inflatable are best. Clip it to your backpack for easy access on planes, trains, or buses. Arrive refreshed and ready to explore, not with a sore neck. These essentials have saved me countless times and can do the same for you. Check the description for product links to my favorite selections. Please like, subscribe, and join us for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels. Can't wait to see where your next adventure takes you. Until next time, bon voyage.